Hey guys, Hair by Jess here, and I know you guys are not normally used to me doing these types of videos, but you know the beauty of it is I get to try something different and show you guys what I like to do. So this is an eyebrow hack that I'm showing you guys using my angled brush you see me with here, and just earlier with the Wet n Wild Mega Last mascara. Um, so I am simply dabbing my angled brush onto the mascara wand where a little bit of the product is on the mascara wand. I feel like I'm saying that repetitively. Yeah, and I'm just using it to draw like so, fill in my eyebrows here. So I have eyebrow hairs, but I'm just using this method to make it more defined. So here is my question for the ultimate engagement. When you are out of eyebrow gel and you do not have the extra coin to buy the eyebrow gel, whether it's Anastasia Beverly Hills, forgive me if I pronounced it wrong, whether it's Maybelline Tattoo Studio, you don't have the coin for either one of those or whatever your favorite eyebrow gel is. This is a great method to use. An angled brush, if you have an angled brush, and then if you have mascara, there's something already in your makeup collection, your makeup repertoire. You can use your angled brush, dab it a little bit onto that mascara wand like what you see me doing, and use it to do your eyebrows with it and to define them. Now, when I started doing this, I said, okay, this video is going to be short, but then I wasn't really thinking about that too much. I said I might as well just go ahead and do all of my makeup, because once you do your eyebrows, it almost prompts you to do all of your makeup, sort of like second nature, especially if you've been doing it on a regular basis. I do my makeup almost every day. So I will chime in whenever necessary, but I'm going to let you guys enjoy the music. And by the way, go ahead and smash that heart button. Smash that heart button. Smash it. I sincerely appreciate it in advance. So a little backstory before I let you guys enjoy the music here. I first picked up this method after ditching the eyeliner pencil, the eyebrow pencils. You ladies know what I'm talking about. I got tired of it because eyebrows weren't as defined as I wanted them to be. The lines were too soft. And I was like, what can I do? So I had a brush. I didn't have this angle brush just yet at the time. And I had mascara. And I started with that. And they started to come out really precise. And I'm just like, yes. I stepped my eyebrow game up, in my opinion. But ever since they started with the eyebrow gels, I said, okay, now I migrate to the gels. But I keep mascara. I keep this mascara on me. Wet n Wild's Mega Last mascara. You can get this from the Dollar Tree. $1. If you don't have an angled brush, they have brushes there. $1. So you can at the most make this a $2 eyebrow hack. If you are out of eyebrow gel, madam, sis, you can use this method to tide you over until you can get that coin to get that eyebrow gel that you normally use, whether it's a high-end or a drugstore brand. So I'm going to go ahead on that note and let you guys enjoy the music until the next products come up. Alright, so I'm using LA Girls Pro Concealer. You can tell I've had that a while because it's looking a little flat because I've been squeezing all that product out of it. So I'm just using that to get my eyebrows together. The reason why I started on this is because once I saw the eyebrows, I'm like, they ain't as defined as I want them to be. Let's get that concealer. and get the blending around it, and you know the rest. I decided to do all of my makeup, so I'm just going to shout out the parts where I'm using the products. And you guys see me using NYX's Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. I have it in the color Chestnut. So funny fact about this, when I first tried this foundation, been a little over a year ago, I got it in the wrong shade, which was not this shade you guys see me using, Chestnut, which works out perfectly. It was much too light. But now I got it right. Bars. Alright, so I'm just using tapping motions on my face when I pump the foundation onto my makeup sponge. I normally use swiping motions, so you guys might see me using some swiping motions, because I've been swiping makeup on with makeup sponges out of habit for years. I'm trying to get into the tapping thing. I'm trying. I'm hearing it wounds up. I'm hearing that a tapping motion allows the foundation to look better. Something about changing it to the tapping application changes the way your makeup looks and sets. So I'm trying to try that out. I'm trying to step up my makeup game more and more. I'm no pro, but I am open to improving. Alright, so we're moving on here to my eyeshadow, and I'm using Starry's Prism Cream Eyeshadow. For the life of me, I keep calling that a beautiful golden cream brown color of some sort. So I'm using an eyebrow, not an eyebrow, oh my goodness. I am using an eyeshadow tool here to apply this on. Normally I use a brush for this. And I'm going to go ahead here and just do like a soft cut crease, but not an exact cut crease. Tell you the truth, I am not good at cut creases yet. I'm speaking it. Thank you, Lord. Speaking it. But I'm not a pro. Not now. So I'm doing what I can and what I know how to do. And I will practice in the meantime. Yes, ma'am. So you guys are seeing me use I think that's an eyeshadow brush. What a beauty. the Pretty Glam eyeshadow palette. Got that from Dollar General. I think it only cost me $5. Beautiful, pearlescent, bold colors. And this isn't the cheap eyeshadow. It costs $5, but maybe they mislabeled it or something. I don't know. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. This real deal costed me $5. Real deal. The pigmentation alone of these eyeshadows here, I'm like, how is this $5? It is a steal. If you can find it in your local Dollar General, please snatch it up, girlfriend. Please do, sis. All right, and I'm popping this up again to show you another color I'm using for my highlight. That right there. Love that color. All complimentary. All that melanin. I'm just blending that together so that way it can look nice and seamless for my overall look. And you guys just see me just blending away the eyeshadow. From the cream eyeshadow I started with to the dark color I put in just above my crease, and then that last color you guys saw me. I'm just blending away for a nice seamless look here. And this is kind of close to my everyday makeup look, except for sometimes I don't always do the eyeshadow. I don't take the time out, or either I don't have the time. But when I do, like today, I go ahead and put in the extra effort and I blend away and put in the precise details. Now, what you guys are seeing me do here is just retouching up my eyebrows. So if at any time after I've started with my eyebrows, if any foundation gets and covers over my eyebrows and eyeshadow, I go back and clean it up, you know, just to redefine my eyebrows, clean up any mistakes or anything. So that way, before I totally finish up my look. And make sure everything's precise here. And you guys are going to see me finish off the look with Maybelline's Lasting Fix Setting Spray. I think it is 16 hours. Yes. So I spray it not once, but twice. Sometimes 3 times. Sometimes 4. You know, that's just me. That was the first time. And you see me spray the second time. Alright, so that is my final look.